Good day, children. Our topic for today is all about position, over and under. Over. The meaning of over is at a higher level or at a upper level. So let's see the examples of over. The bird is over the tree. So meaning the bird is higher than the tree. So it is over. So the bird is over than the tree. The sun is over the house. Meaning the sun is higher than the house. So over. The sun is over the house. The dog is over the ball. So the dog is higher than the ball. That's why the dog is over the ball. The bird is over the house. Meaning, the bird is higher than the house. That's why it is over. Under. So what is the meaning of under? It is at a lower level or at a down level. So let's see the examples. The tree is under the bird. So meaning the tree is below the bird. So the tree is under the bird. The house is under the sun. Meaning the house is below the sun. That's why the house is under the sun. The ball is under the dog. Meaning the ball is lower than the dog. That's why the ball is under the dog. The house is under the bird. So meaning the house is lower than the bird. That's why it is under the bird. So let's do the activity. Look at image and choose over or under. The cat is sleeping blank the car. So the cat is down or below. So what is the answer? It is under. Very good. The ball is blank the basket. So the ball is higher than the basket. So it is over. Very good. Did you get it? Yes. The butterfly is blank the flower. So the butterfly is higher than the flower. So what is the answer? It is over. Very good. The fish is blank the boat. So the fish is down or below the boat. So what is the answer? It is under. Very good. Did you get it? Yes. The cow is blank the tree. So here is the cow. The cow is below or down the tree. So what is the answer? Under. Very good. The coop is blank the hen. So this is the coop. So the coop is higher than the hen. So what is the answer? It is over. Very good. Did you get it? Yes. The rug is blank the sofa. So this is the rug. So the rug is below the sofa. So what is the answer? It is under. Very good. The chair is blank the ball. So this is the chair. The chair is higher than the ball. So the chair is over the ball. Very good. Did you get it all, children? Very good. So what did we learn for today, children? So we learned for today is all about position. So what kind of position that we've discussed? It's all about the over and under. Very good. Thank you for listening, children. Remember, learning is fun. If you're still new to my channel, please click the subscribe button together with the bell button to be updated for new knowledge and ideas. Till next time, bye-bye!